mabigat. Tapos tumalon ka, bro. Okay, ganito. Tawag doon, weighted jumping squat. Okay. Ilang taon ka na yan? Ilang taon na ako, guys? Hi. Hello, Jam. Hi po, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Uy, Rico. Pa-check ng TikTok ko. Tignan mo kung... Hindi ko maka-check ng TikTok, bro, kasi naka-live ako. Nag-aasa kaya. Tagsan kaya. I'm from Cebu. Yo, thank you for the follow, Boss Harvey. Saka Angel Joff. Just work on mo, bro. Push-ups. Comment lang kayo, guys. Kasi mag-e-end na ako soon. Ay, end live pala soon. Aray mo. Welcome po, bossing. Yes, bro. Sige, mag-share kayo ng live, guys, and don't forget to tap the screen. Let's go. Home workout ba yan, bro? Yes, home workout po to, bro. Yo, thank you for the 1 roses, lucky 9. Let's go. 1 push-ups. Thank you po. Grabe yan niya. Mahina pa lang ako, guys. Yan. Yo, thank you for sharing the live, Boss Dance. Ilang taon na ba ako, guys? Ilang taon na ba ako? Guess, guys, guess. Anong height mo, boss? Height ko is 5'3", tsaka yung kg ko or weight ko is 53. Ilang years ka na po workout? 2 years. 20. Mali kayo, guys. Ano? 20 minus 5. Yun yung age ko, guys. 20 minus 5. Yo, thank you for the rock ice cream, Boss Brianna. Thank you po. 20 minus 5 yung ganda ng pisik. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss Brianna. 1 jumping jacks. Thank you, guys. Damn, song. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. 20 minus 5. Ikaw, kayo na bahala, guys. Anyways, pag diamond, pag push up ha, diamond. Pag push up diamond ha. Sige, boss Pio. Mag push up ako diamond. Kaya mo kumprahan. Kaya mo kumprahan. Ano yung kumprahan? Yo, thank you 1 roses, boss Pio.